we'll also get your s'mores on the way with Kid Williams. Here's Kid Williams with the weather. Good evening. Well, it's going to be absolutely mild for most parts of the UK. Well, I'm terribly sorry for the technical issues that we're having right now on Video Toolbox. We seem to have lost our coverage of the Kid News from February 2025. Before we get back to the programme, here's some scheduled programmes. It's just after 25 to 9 on a Saturday evening. The brilliant one of Tom Gates kicks off at 8:45, followed by the true story of Jada's family at 9. Then after that, at 25 past 9, it is a double bill of Jada's family, followed by What Are You Not Doing Here?, which kicks off at 9:45. And then the classic truth, it is the New Year's Eve fireworks display from December 2023. That's at 10:05. That's all the scheduled programmes that we've launched for your Saturday here on Video Toolbox. Once we get back to the programme, let's get you some music.
Be kind to one another and don't give in to fear. That's all that I am asking for Christmas time this year. We've had enough of fighting and dying in the streets. For Christmas I just want a little peace.
Well, I'm terribly sorry about the technical issues that we're having right now on Video Toolbox. We've still lost our coverage of the Kid News from February 2025. Let's get back to it as soon as we can, but at the moment we'll just continue with the music.
For Christmas I just want a little peace. And if the fates should bless us with a moment of reprieve, we all could stand together in the silence and just breathe. Rejoice for all the happiness, mourn for all.
This is Video Toolbox. I'm sorry, we're still experiencing some technical issues trying to load the Kid News from February 2025. Let's get back to it as soon as we can. At the moment, we'll just continue with the music.
Let's shine on one another the light that we have saved. So jealously we've guarded for the coming rainy days. If only for a moment we can make the darkness cease. For Christmas I just want a little peace. For Christmas I just want a little peace.
This is Video Toolbox. After that long technical issue, we can't rejoin the Kid News at the moment. So instead, coming up next, it's a brilliant one of Tom Gates. Then after that, at 9 o'clock, it is, of course, the true story of Jada's family. I've got long technical issue here on Video Toolbox. We can't rejoin the kid news at the moment. So instead, we've got the brilliant world of Tom Gates with some no good, absolute mischief.
Make it, sing it, draw it, say it. This is how dog zombies play it. Do your monster furry creature draw a picture of my teacher? I like wafers, they're the best. Marcus Meldrew's not impressed. Granny's custard's very lumpy. Delia is always grumpy. I'm Tom Gates, that's my name. So join in with my favourite games. Get ready, 'cause here we go. Welcome to my brilliant show. In this brilliant show, my mum is totally embarrassing. Doodle around a tasty treat and make an awesome popcorn box. Welcome to my brilliant show. We're going to the cinema. Don't get me wrong, I love going to the cinema. But my mum is taking us, and the last time that happened, it did not go well.
2 small popcorns, please.